Hello there, my name is Kish, A00290504. That's my student ID. Full name Kishan Ramis. This is assignment 1, transactional queries for databases. So let's just get straight into it. So here I have a project 2 schema, and I made 3 different tables. The first one is the cars table. We're just using cars for this database. It's a very simple example, but it should be sufficient enough to prove the ACID principles and show the overall integrity of the database and rollbacks, and preventing half data to be inserted and things like that. So here's select cars. We have car ID 1 and 2. Here is select customers. We have John Doe and Alice Smith. And then we have sales. We have these customer requested capacitor, upgrade, and then this one standard sale, no modification. Right. So now let's go through the tests. So the first test here, we have 5 different tests. Our first test is going to be to check if a car purchase correctly reduces stock and inserts a sale. So here, by calling this, John Doe should buy a Toyota Corolla. And then here we get to see if the sale is recorded. So if we run this, you can see that, there we go. You can see that the sale has been recorded in the sales table. Here we can verify the stock quantity is reduced. We can see if it's actually reduced or not. There you go. You can see that it has. Stock is now at 0 here. And that ensures that this valid purchase method works as intended. Now, test number 2 is to ensure that buying a car with 0 stock does not insert a sale. So here we have update cars here. If we run this line, you can see that it has successfully updated. This should give an error, yes. And then here, if we run this select, where we're selecting the customer and the car, we can see that it doesn't exist. And then here we have to verify the remaining stock. And there we go. The stock completely doesn't exist because the car has been purchased. Test number 3 is refunds a sale and confirms that the stock is restored. So here Alice Smith buys a Honda Civic. If we use this, and then here we verify if the sale is recorded. So now we check if that sale has been recorded. It has, as you can see here. It's in the sales table. Then we get the sale ID to refund. I'll just run this. There we go. Now we get the sale ID. And then now we can refund the sale by taking that sale ID. And then here we can select that sale ID. There we go. You can see the stock for it. And that it has been removed. And finally, we can see the stock quantity has been restored in here. Sorry, there we go. Yep, you can see that the stock has gone up to 3 now instead of 2. So that was test 3. Now let's go into test 4. This is to successfully update a car's price. So here we can change the Corolla's price like that. Then here it should give an invalid, and then now let's verify that the price has been updated. Here, as we can see, yep. And then finally here we have attempts to set an invalid price and ensure that the rollback works. So here, if we try to set an invalid price, and then we can see that the price should remain unchanged, which it is. So the rollback does work in this case. And that's basically it. Thank you so much. And the other details will be included in the report. Thank you.